Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Want to customize the header on your Weebly website? Whether you're updating your logo, changing navigation or tweaking the design, editing your header is key to making a great first impression. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to edit the header on your Weebly website. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. And once you have logged in, select the website that you want to edit from the dashboard by clicking on the Edit Site option. And you will be redirected to Website Editor. This is where you will make all the changes to your header and other parts of your website. In the Website Editor, locate for the Theme tab, which is on the top of the nav bar. From there, click on the option saying Change Font. Here you will get an option of Header area. Now you can customize your header. As you can see, there are different listed options which can be edited, such as site title, navigation menu, phone number, headline and sub-headline. And all the changes in your website can be done from here. And once you have made your edits, click on the option saying Publish, which is located at the top right corner of the screen, which will make your website go live. Editing your Weebly header is simple and lets you create a design that truly represents your brand. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.